Hi, this is Matt with Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff. Today we're going to be doing a quick video on how to install an SSD and a CF-F9 and a CF-W8. The concept is pretty much the same for both units. First thing you'll want to do, I'll show you first on the CF-F9. First thing you'll want to do is you'll want to turn the computer over and you'll want to remove the battery. On the F9, there's two screws you need to remove. One is right here. The other is right here. So you just go ahead and take those two screws out. The upper screw on the right-hand side that I just took out is normally covered by the battery. Then you just slip the plate up, take the drive up, remove the cable from the drive, pull the drive out of the casing, reconnect the new drive, which is a solid state drive. Slide the casing back on. You can also put the casing back on beforehand, it doesn't matter. Then sit the drive back in the proper position. Put the cover back on. And then put the screws back in their position. Put your battery back in and then you're done. You have a solid state drive installed in your CF-F9. You will have to reload your operating system on here. Rather, it's through an imaging software that you use to make a backup of your drive beforehand, which can be very useful. There are several out there. One of the easiest to use and most effective ones that I found is Acronis. Or you'll have to use a recovery disk or a Windows installation disk to load your computer back from scratch. It's the same concept for the W8. The steps are exactly the same. You just flip the computer over, remove the battery, and then on the W8, there's more screws. But the idea is the same. There's a screw here, and then a screw in here. And then unlike the F9, you have to open up the computer, and then there's one more screw in the center up here that has to be removed as well. So you just remove all of the screws that I just pointed out to you. And then this just slides to the right slightly and then pops out. And then it's the same way as with the F9. You just disconnect the cable, slide the hard drive out of its caddy, and then put the solid state drive in the caddy and reconnect it, then put the drive in the caddy. And then you would just put it back in its position. Put the cover back on and put all the screws back where they belong. And that's it for today. If you have any questions or comments, just let us know. If you have any suggestions, let us know. That you can contact me through our tech support email, which is tech_support@bobjohnson.com, or you can give us a call. Our toll-free number here is 877-202-7788. Thank you. Bye.